The DJI Neo is reaching new heights, especially after its unexpected appearance at a Canadian retailer. This sighting signals that DJI's newest drone could soon make its official debut, catching the attention of both drone enthusiasts and technology followers alike. Positioned as a potentially transformative addition to DJI's lineup, the Neo promises to deliver an array of exciting features and innovations designed to appeal to beginners and seasoned pilots. Let's explore what makes the DJI Neo stand out in a competitive drone market. Advanced features and capabilities. Recent leaks have provided us with valuable insights into the DJI Neo's capabilities. Promotional images highlight the drone's ability to perform autonomous flight maneuvers using DJI's Quick Shots technology. This feature enables users to capture stunning 360-degree perspectives effortlessly, making it ideal for recording adventures or creating cinematic shots. The ease of use is further enhanced by the Neo's support for control through an app or voice commands, which eliminates the necessity for a separate controller. This user-friendly approach caters to both experienced pilots and those new to drone flying, ensuring that the Neo appeals to a broad audience. Controller compatibility, a move towards standardization. One of the most notable aspects of the DJI Neo is its compatibility with multiple controllers. Specifically, the Neo is confirmed to work with the DJI RCN2 controller, and there's a strong possibility that it will also be compatible with the RCN3. This development hints at a shift in DJI's strategy toward a more unified control system across its product range. For users, this means greater flexibility and convenience as they can operate different DJI drones without investing in various controllers. By standardizing control systems, DJI is simplifying the user experience, making it easier to manage multiple drones within their ecosystem. Speculations on video transmission quality. Another area of interest for the DJI Neo is its video transmission capabilities. Noted drone community figure Jasper Elland has speculated that the Neo might use DJI's OcuSync 4.0 O4 ecosystem for video transmission. If this proves accurate, the Neo could offer enhanced video quality and more reliable transmission, which are critical features for both hobbyist and professional drone pilots. There is also speculation about compatibility with the DJI RC2 controller, although this has not yet been confirmed. Should this feature be included, it would further align with DJI's vision of a cohesive and standardized product line, offering users more options and better integration across devices. First-person view, FPV capabilities. The DJI Neo could be set to enhance the drone flying experience by supporting first-person view, FPV capabilities. Reports suggest that the Neo will be compatible with DJI's Goggles 3 and the FPV ARC3 controller, which would allow pilots to see what the drone sees in real time. This feature is especially appealing for those interested in dynamic high-speed maneuvers, offering an immersive flying experience. With minimal video lag and a range of FPV features, the Neo could cater to both casual users and experienced FPV pilots, broadening its appeal across various flying styles. Advanced flight modes for versatile flying. The DJI Neo is anticipated to come equipped with a range of advanced flight modes, catering to a diverse array of pilot preferences. These modes include Real View, Easy Acro, Rock Steady, M Mode, Head Tracking, Ultra Low Height, and Golf Low Stabilization. Real View and Easy Acro are designed to provide simplified controls, making it easier for beginners to get accustomed to FPV flying without feeling overwhelmed. Rock Steady ensures that footage remains smooth and stable, even during high-speed flights. The ability to use familiar controllers across multiple drones could also simplify the learning curve, allowing users to focus on exploring the Neo's new features and capabilities. This integrated approach is likely to enhance user satisfaction and loyalty, as it underscores DJI's commitment to providing a streamlined and user-friendly experience. Conclusion: a game-changer in the making. As excitement around the DJI Neo continues to grow, it's clear that this drone has the potential to make a significant impact in the market. With its versatile flight modes, potential FPV capabilities, and seamless integration with existing DJI products, the Neo is shaping up to be a valuable addition to both new and experienced pilots' toolkits. The combination of user-friendly features, advanced technology, and ecosystem compatibility makes the DJI Neo a promising option for those looking to explore the world of drones. As we eagerly await more information and the official launch, the DJI Neo is poised to be a standout in the ever-evolving drone landscape.